In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cashback rewards in QuickBooks Online. If you've earned a cashback credit from your card issuer, recording it correctly keeps your books clean, makes reconciliation easier, and ensures your income and expenses reflect reality. First, in QuickBooks Online, click New in the top left. From the options that appear, choose Credit Card Credit. This is the form designed for things like refunds, returns, and cashback credits that reduce your card balance. You don't need to select a payee for this transaction, since the reward typically comes from your bank and isn't tied to a vendor purchase. What you do need is to select the correct credit card account. Pick the credit card that actually received the cash back so the credit lands in the right place. Next, choose the payment date. Use the date the credit posted on your statement or the date you see on your banking feed. Accurate dating helps the transaction fall into the correct period and makes your monthly reconciliation smoother. Now, look at the category details section. Here, you have a choice in how you want to reflect the reward. One option is to select the same expense category you used for the purchases on that card, which effectively reduces your expenses. Another common approach is to track the reward as income by using a dedicated account, such as a cashback reward or an other income account. If you already have an account set up for this, select it. If not, you can create one that clearly identifies cashback rewards so your reports are easy to read later. Either method is acceptable. Just be consistent over time and follow your accountant's preference. Enter the amount of the cashback as a positive number. QuickBooks will treat it as a credit to your card. If it helps for future reference, add a note in the memo field, such as the month or the card program name, so you know exactly what the credit was for when you review your register. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded the cashback reward, and it will now reduce your credit card balance. Depending on the category you chose, you'll either see a reduction in the related expense or a separate line of income for cashback in your reports. A quick tip: be consistent with your categorization and match the date and amount to your statement to avoid reconciliation issues. And if you're unsure which method suits your reporting needs, a quick check-in with your accountant can help set a standard for your books. There you go. That's all you need to do to record cashback rewards in QuickBooks Online.